I just finished this book and I'm going to tell you why you should read it as well. So first of all, I did get the hardcover, so it is pretty large, pretty thick, but the outside of it, the cover is very textured as well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it actually is raised, and it really drew me in because first of all, it just looked really creepy, and also this guy right here. He is one of my all-time favorite horror directors, so I decided I wanted to give him a chance since he is editing all of the black horror stories that are in this. So, what does an anthology mean? So, I personally struggle with, I've actually conditioned myself to read before bed, which means I immediately get tired when I start reading. So because of that, I have to read like one chapter at a time, usually when I'm doing my nightly reading. So I decided to get the book like this, which actually is an anthology, which is a collection of different short horror stories. So you can see here, this is the author, this is the story, and then you can actually see at the top as well, the name of the story that we're currently on. So you can see this one is around 15 or so pages, and then now we're on a new one by this author, L.D. Lewis. So it is a collection of multiple different horror authors in the African American space, and he actually does the editing of all of them, but you can see here are all of the authors. So this is a really good thing if you are like me and you use books to go to sleep and you also like horror books or kind of scary and spooky and cultural related books. This is really good for you because you can literally read a start to finish story in just a couple of pages. Please be advised though, this is full of mature elements and mature content, so please be wary of that before you go buying it if you are a child.